Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
Hey guys, in this video I am going to share latest job openings from Leaf, Lifestyle Enhancing Affordable Finance. They have openings for different positions for Panvel location. As you can see here, they are looking for branch sales head, sales manager, relationship officer, branch credit manager and credit officer. So to eligible for these positions, you must have relevant working experience in affordable housing, finance, sales and credit. So if you are interested to apply for any of the job role, you can drop your resume on these mail IDs. And also the head office details are mentioned here. And for more detailed information, you please go through with the website link that is mentioned here. And Leaf Fintech is present across 7 states in India. And you please go through the employee benefits like incentives, insurance facilities like that. That's it in this video guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.